Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. If you guys are not familiar, Stitch Fix is a styling service where you are matched with a personal stylist that helps pick and choose pieces for you based on your wants, your needs, and what you are looking to amp up your wardrobe with. With Stitch Fix, you are sent 5 items. Those items can include clothes, shoes, accessories, or really anything else that you are looking for in your wardrobe. If you guys have watched any of my recent unboxings, which I will link my most recent one down below, my boxes haven't been the absolute best. So I did go ahead and request an additional box from my stylist this month just to see if she would be able to kind of find me some pieces that really fit my personal style. And I will tell you guys, I do think this box might be a 5 for 5. I haven't had a 5 for 5 box in a very long time, but I am so happy with all of the pieces that I received this month. For today's video, I will of course have everything I shared today listed in the description box down below, including my size. If you guys do Stitch Fix as well, you can request specific items from your stylist. So if you like one of the pieces I share, you can send that over to your stylist, including the brand and the product name. That usually helps. I will also have the item name, the brand, the price, and my size somewhere on the screen just to make this video go a little bit faster. I will also talk about the total cost of all of these items at the end of today's video, and I will also have a link in the description box down below if you guys are interested in trying out Stitch Fix. Now, I was perusing on my profile on Stitch Fix the other day and I noticed I had some type of deal. It was only for one person, but you get your first 3 boxes for free. So I'm gonna link that down below. Obviously it will be first come, first serve, I guess, with that code because it is only for one person. But then I do also have a code that gets you a certain amount off on your first box. So all that stuff will be linked down below. Now, before we go ahead and get into today's video, I do just want to kind of quickly discuss everything that's going on in our world currently, as I haven't gotten a chance to talk to you guys really about it, as my past 2 videos were pre-filmed. But I know a few of you guys have already reached out to me letting me know that my videos are kind of helping you take your mind off of everything going on. So I really do hope that is the case for everyone. I do plan to add an additional video to this week just to give you guys something to look forward to. So there will be a video on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for this week. I just wanted to lend a hand, let you guys know that I'm always here. I know this world has been very crazy. It has been very hard for me, being someone that is very much prone to anxiety. This definitely kind of triggered something inside of me, but I'm just taking it one day at a time, and I hope you guys are doing the same. I wish you all nothing but healthiness, wellness during this time. You and your family are all in my prayers, and I know we are going to be able to get through all of this together. So now that we've kind of discussed that, I do want to go ahead and brighten up the mood a little, and let's go ahead and get into today's Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. So the first item I am sharing with you guys today is a little tank top in the size extra large, and this is what it looks like here. So it is a white tank with the little buttons in the center and the tie at the bottom. Now the print on here almost looks like it is florals, but it's actually little shapes in navy blue and olive green, and I think there's a tannish beige color as well. The material on this tank is so lightweight, so breathable. This would be a perfect piece in the summertime, as I do feel like I wouldn't get too warm in this one. But it would also look really cute with a little cardigan for the springtime where it's still a little chilly out. I really enjoy this tank. The fit is really great as well, and I love the design. The only thing about this one is I do have a piece very similar to this one from American Eagle from last year. The material is different, the color scheme is different, but the design is very similar, whereas that one does have the buttons in the center and the tie as well. So I'm kind of trying to decide if I need them both. You guys will have to let me know if I can find a a photo of the one from American Eagle. I will go ahead and pop it right here. I do feel like they are slightly different, but they are still similar. So I'd love to know your thoughts on this one down below. Now the next piece is probably my favorite. I honestly didn't have like the highest expectations, but I feel like the fit on this one is really great. So this one is from the brand Lush in a size extra large, and this is what the top looks like here. So it is in this beautiful like light blue color with the kind of like white and like darker blue print all over. The sleeves on here are short, and we do have the V-neck design in the front. The fit on this one is a little bit more cropped, however it is not too short. I do believe on me personally it fit like right around my belly button, so if I am wearing high-waisted jeans with this top, I'm not really showing any stomach. For reference, the jeans that I am wearing in the try-on portion are the ones I received like a few boxes ago from Stitch Fix. I will link the exact pair down below, and I will link that video down below as well if you're interested. I've been really enjoying those pants. And then down here at the bottom of the top, it's actually smocked, so it's nice and stretchy, very comfortable, and I can just see myself wearing this with either like light jeans or even white jeans in the spring and summertime. So this one for sure is a win for me, but you guys of course will have to let me know what your thoughts are on all of these pieces down below. Next up here, I actually had pinned this one on my board, so I was excited to see my stylist was able to find it. This one's from the brand Sanctuary in a size extra large, and this is what it looks like here. So it's like a navy blue, like white polka dot blouse. It does go off of the shoulder, and the top up here is elastic. We do have this like additional kind of like ruffle detail across the chest, and then there are faux buttons in the center as well. The bottom of the top is elastic, and the bottom of the sleeves are elastic too. And then there is also this additional little ruffle in the middle of the sleeve here. So I, again, had this top pinned on my Pinterest board, so I was very excited to see this one in my box. I think the fit is really great. I've been very much attracted to polka dots recently, and I just love that this one has just something a little bit different with the faux buttons and then that ruffle design up at the top. The only thing with this polka dot blouse is the elastic design that goes up around the shoulder. It doesn't really stay off of the shoulder, which is something that drives me absolutely crazy. But I do think I can kind of look past it because I just think this top is so cute. Again, another one that I could see myself wearing with either blue denim or even white denim for the springtime. This last clothing piece I have here is probably my only iffy piece. Like the others I feel like are really like, even though I have that tank and a similar print, I can look past that. This piece for sure is the only iffy one, and it's not due to the design, it's more due to the fit on me. This one is from the brand Market & Spruce in a size XXL, and it is a little dress. So it's in this beautiful mustard color that I personally love. We have these straps up here that are adjustable, and then we do have the scallop trim right around the chest. It does cinch in at the waist, and then there is also this little button detail in the back, which you do have like a little bit of opening back here. Back here we also have the smocked design, so it's nice and stretchy, very comfortable, and then there are pockets on here as well, and then the pockets do have that scallop trim too. Now this dress, when you're looking at it, it is absolutely adorable. Like I love everything about it. I love a good scallop trim. I love sunflowers. I love that mustard color. Everything for me is a win. But the length on it, you guys, the length is so short. If it was just like an inch or two longer, I would for sure keep it. There would be no questions asked because I think it's just adorable. But that length, you guys, like let me know if you think I should pass on this one, or do you think I can look past the length? I would love to hear from you. With this dress, I love the idea of wearing it with actually a white denim jacket or even a blue denim jacket. So it's again very versatile, but I just don't know what I want to do with this one. I'm very conflicted. Then the last piece I have to share with you guys today is actually a little crossbody bag. This is what it looks like here. It is in this light like beige color, and we do have the strap that is removable. The hardware on here is actually rose gold, which I thought was really pretty. And this bag actually has a ton of storage in here. We have a pocket down here. We have some like additional storage spaces on both sides. And then the print on the inside is like black and white circles. I thought this was just really cute. When I sneak peeked it online, I will be honest, I was like, oh, I don't know about that one. But when I got it in, I actually feel like it really complements all of the outfits. You do have the option to unzip the bottom and get a little bit of additional space down here. And I don't know if I mentioned, but the straps are removable, so you can wear this one as a clutch. Plus, the best part about this bag is it is curvy girl friendly, so I am able to completely like cross these straps over my entire body. So this one I am really thinking about. I just don't have anything in this color, and I'm pretty sure the price point was very fair on this one. But speaking of price points, let's go ahead and wrap up today's video by talking about the cost. So if we were to keep all 5 items, our total would be $301 even. However, Stitch Fix does give you 25% off if you keep all 5 items. So our total then goes down to $225.75. $225.75, you guys. I don't think that's the absolute worst. We do get 3 tops, a dress, and a bag for $200 basically. It's not the worst. I am really considering keeping all of these items just because I really haven't had a 5 for 5 in a while, and I do really see myself wearing these pieces all spring and summer long. I would love to hear what your thoughts are on this entire box. If you have a favorite, if you have a miss from this one, let me know down below. But again, I will also have everything I shared today listed in the description box down below, including my size. I will have my previous Stitch Fix unboxing down below. I will have a link to sign up if you guys are interested. If you have any questions at all regarding Stitch Fix, be sure to let me know down below as well. But that is actually going to do it for today's video. So thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.